Good morning mga kasolo. Ngayon papunta ako ngayon sa barangay Buenaserte, isang barangay no, para mag-preach ng word ni God. Tara samahan niyo ako.
What is it in me? Sometimes I just don't know what keeps me in your love. Why you never let me go. And though you're in me now, I fall and hurt you still. My Lord, please show me how to know just how you feel. You have forgiven me too many times it seems. I feel I'm not what you might call a worthy Christian after all.
Ayan mga kasolo, nakapag-gasolina na tayo no? Tara samahan niyo ako, ipamahagi ang salita ng Diyos. Tara!
You never left my side. You gave your hand to me to hold on, Jesus. I'm no longer in the cold. And yeah, I leave you there when I feel satisfied. I'd like to thank you every day, not only when I feel that way. I never knew the man who'd give his life for sinners like me. And yet because he loves us so, he's promised us eternity. And we can have that promise and be his if we have faith and just believe. Teach us to trust in you with all our heart, to lean not on our own understanding, 'cause we just forget.
So ayan mga kasolo, andito na tayo sa area no? So tara guys, umpisa na natin ipamahagi yung salita ng Diyos. Tara, let's go!